Welcome, 4th and 5th grade musicians. Got a brand new rhythm song today, so let's take a look at what we're working with. 4 beats in a measure, 4 eighth notes connected, 4 16th notes connected, quarter notes, and 1 quarter rest at the end. Also have 2 eighth notes connected here. Notice any familiar measures? That measure should look pretty familiar because that one appeared quite a bit in our last couple of rhythm songs. But everything else should be new. Notice the first measure has a duplicate. The second measure is exactly the same. So we're looking for patterns. Do you see any other patterns? We've got a lot of groups like this, right? We've got a lot of 16th notes, 4 16th notes and a quarter note. We've got it here. We've got it here because these two measures are the same. But then we also have it here and here. So that pattern happens 4 times. Always look for patterns. Let's start with our first measure. It's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do that together. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Since it's the same as our second measure, let's work on those two together. Ready? And count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ready? Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's take a look at our third measure. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Do it with me. Ready and count. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Ready and again. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. And our last measure, 1 and 2 and 3. Ready? Let's practice that one. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3. Let's put the whole thing together, and we'll practice this a few times. The first time is going to be tricky, right? Putting this all together the first time. But we'll do it about 4 times together. By the 4th time, you should start to feel pretty good about it. And after that, you can just pause the video and work on it on your own. 1 and 2 and ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. All right, let's practice again. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Do it a couple more times. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. One last practice. Ready and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Now you can pause the video at any time and practice to your heart's content. Really master this rhythm song because we're going to be doing some cool stuff with it on lesson 5 next week. Until I see you guys again, take care of your learning, take care of yourselves, and take care of each other. Miss you guys, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Namaste.